Let me ask you something. What if your next farming assistant wasn't a person, but a drone? Imagine tiny flying machines soaring above lush banana plantations, capturing colorful images from the sky, while underground sensors quietly track the soil and air. All of them working together to keep plants healthy and farmers informed. Today, we're talking about a fascinating new research study from a group of engineers in Colombia and the UK. They've created a powerful hybrid AI system called SV Mobile Net V2. Yes, that's a mouthful. But in simple terms, it's a smart combination of two technologies: convolutional neural networks and support vector machines. These two types of artificial intelligence work together like a detective team. The CNN acts like the eyes, scanning and learning from detailed images of banana leaves. Meanwhile, the SVM acts like the judge, deciding whether each leaf is healthy or showing early signs of disease. And here's the cool part: the images don't come from your average camera. They come from multispectral drones. These drones see beyond normal colors, capturing invisible details that reveal plant stress before our eyes can. Combine that with data from little IoT sensors on the ground, measuring temperature and humidity, and you've got a complete smart farming system. This kind of technology can detect plant diseases like black sigatoka, a fungus that attacks banana leaves long before it causes serious damage. That means fewer chemicals, less waste, and healthier crops, all thanks to some really clever engineering and AI teamwork. What's truly inspiring here is how fields like computer vision, machine learning, and agriculture are coming together to solve real-world problems. It's not just about tech. It's about sustainability, food security, and helping farmers protect their livelihoods. So here's a thought to leave you with. If drones and AI can already spot plant diseases from the sky, what else could they help us see or save in the future? Thanks for listening to the R&D Lab. Visit Ingisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Don't forget to follow us for more stories from the frontiers of engineering. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.